This is our third and last example of systems of equations, word problems. So here's our situation. We have a leisure time cruises riverboat travels 46 kilometers downstream in 2 hours. It travels 51 kilometers upstream in 3 hours. Find the speed of the boat and the speed of the current. So to me, this is a rate times time equals distance kind of a problem. So I like to organize this into a chart. So I'm going to have the rate times time equals distance. So we have a downstream information and an upstream information. So the boat travels 46 kilometers, so that is a distance going downstream in 2 hours. All right, and then upstream, it takes 3 hours to get 51 kilometers. So what we don't know is we have the rate of the boat, and then but the current is going to help it along. So the rate of the boat plus the current, as opposed to the rate of the boat minus the current when you're going upstream. So we don't know those. So if we do our rate times time, this is our rate times time equals distance. That's how this equation would look like. Rate times time equals distance. This equation would be rate minus times 3 equals 51. Okay, so normally I would say, well, let's distribute and then we can do elimination. Not that that's wrong. Absolutely, you can distribute the 2, you can distribute the 3, and then kind of start and try to cancel out your R's or your C's. But you could always actually divide the 2 over and divide the 3 over. So if you cancel that and cancel that, you're actually going to have R plus C equaling 23. And then here you're going to have R minus C equaling, I think, 17. All right. The reason I like that, and first off, they went into each other very nicely. Divided by 2, that worked out great. Divided by 3, that worked out great. And my C's are just going to cancel without me having to do anything. So I just combine that. That gets me a 2R equaling 40. Divide by 2, divide by 2. The rate of the boat was 20 kilometers per hour. And then let's figure out what the current is. So up here, we have the rate of the boat plus the current made 23. So we could just do 20 plus C equals 23. Subtract your 20. So your current was 3. So we have the rate of the boat, and it is a rate, so it's a 20 kilometers per hour, and the rate of the current at 3 kilometers per hour. All right, and so that was a rate times time equals distance, kind of a system of equations.